Meditation is simple 10-letter words which is very useful in one's life. So, first of all, what is your point of view on meditation? We all got a sudden idea of a person doing yoga, and that's true that we are directly relating it with yoga. It's correct that it relates with yoga, but meditation is something different from yoga. Meditation is a thing which focuses one's mind for spiritual purposes or relaxation. By the way, I got this idea when I was doing yoga one day in the morning, and I just thought that why can't meditation be my topic for TED Talk? After I researched a lot on this topic, and I finally get to know that this is something that world should know. Do you know from where does meditation came from? Let me tell you. A Japanese monk named Dosho invited the practice of meditation before 5000 years ago. We all are just saying that it is very useful for ourselves. But who does it regularly? No one, and not even me. In this busy world, each and every person has not having time to do meditation. But from my point of view, each and every person has 24 hours. If president or a prime minister of a country has time to do, then why can't we? I just want to tell you that you should give at least half an hour for your health. So now let us do one small exercise of meditation. So all of you close your eyes, breathe in, 3, 2, 1, hold your breath, 3, 2, 1, breathe out, 3, 2, 1. Let us do again. Breathe in, 3, 2, 1, hold your breath, 3, 2, 1, breathe out, 3, 2, 1. At last time, breathe in, 3, 2, 1, hold your breath, 3, 2, 1, breathe out, 3, 2, 1. In this way, you can do meditation at your home. Many persons are not knowing that it is very useful for students. If students do meditation regularly, then it is very useful for them. If students do, then it helps them in remembering and helps to score more marks in exam. Even weak student can make more marks than a scholar one by doing meditation. It is useful for working men and women. It makes their mind stress-free. Even old age people can do it for their health. The survey was done in 2017 of yoga and meditation, and the yoga percentage was 14.2 and the meditation percentage was 14.3. In 2017, 4.1% of adults were doing meditation, but in 2017, the rate of percentage increases and it reaches up to 14.3. This is the way when one starts doing meditation. Many people are there in the world who feels happy by doing meditation. It creates positive energy in their whole body. Nowadays, we can find meditation and yoga centers everywhere easily. And if we list about advantages of the meditation, then there are endless advantages, like it is easy for depressed people, as well as it kills stress and tension. It makes their body and mind feel fresh and active. But while we are taking disadvantages, then the answer came no, because meditation is a thing which have no disadvantages. People are there in the world who feel happy by doing meditation. Here are some more advantages, like it reduces aging, add more hours to the day, improve function of the brain, improves metabolism and helps to lose weight, improves immunity power and helps to fight against diseases, and improves attention power. See, these all are the advantages of the meditation. People are there in the world who knows its advantages, disadvantages, benefits, then also they are not doing. Why? Because they are lazy, and their laziness is the reason behind this thing. And many people are there in the world who knows its importance, benefits and advantages, then also they are not doing, because they just think that if we do meditation and some side effects occur, then who is responsible? I just want to tell you that there are side effects of drugs, not of meditation. Here, drugs means not that nicotine one. Here, drugs means medicine. Many people are using medicines in their life, and many of them are using in their daily life for the diseases like depression, blood pressure, diabetes, etc. Those people are not aware that this kind of diseases can be cured by doing meditation. People should do meditation in early morning, because in early morning there is peace and calm environment. Due to this, one can't get disturbed from noise. But when person is doing meditation in noisy environment, he or she get disturbed from noise and can't concentrate on it. One question came in my mind, that how big authorities maintain fit and fresh whole day. The only answer behind this thing, that they are doing meditation. For example, Shilpa Shetty, an Indian actress, Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple company, Baba Ramdev, the founder of Patanjali Institute, they all are doing meditation and yoga in their daily life. It makes their body and mind fresh, and sometimes they doesn't get time to sleep, then also they will look as they are fresh. There are many books written on meditation and yoga. One famous quote I would like to share with you is, prayer is when you talk to God, but meditation is when God talks to you. In this way, if you do meditation from your heart daily, then surely God will talk to you. As we all know, world is celebrating World Meditation Day on 21st May to just aware the world about the importance of meditation. Same way, World Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June to aware the world about the importance of yoga. So at last, I am requesting you to please take 1 or half an hour from your daily busy life and give it to your health and do meditation. One day will surely come when each and every person of every family will do meditation. So start the change from yourself. Thank you.